Hey guys, it's Neil and welcome to Hardcore Linux. In last 2 or 3 days, I just prepared a bash script. Let me open it for you. That's a script. By executing this script, you can install a completely customized i3buntu manager in Ubuntu based distributions. So, let's get started. Basically, I have created two virtual boxes, one for Ubuntu 18.04 and another one for Ubuntu 16.04. The installation process is really easy, so I am going to skip it all. After the installation is done, let's log into our both system and get into the fun part. The first step is you have to install git. So let me just type sudo apt install git, give it my root password, and there you go. I am literally on a slow net, so it will gonna take quite a long time for me. After the git is installed, you have to go to my GitHub page and go to I3buntu repo and now let me see, it's github.com/007neil/i3ubuntu.git. and now if I just type git clone https and usually give the complete path, github.com/007neil/i3ubuntu, hit enter. It will gonna clone that repo. After it's done, just go to that directory and we need to execute i3ubuntu.sh. so I just type chmod plus x for execute and i3buntu.sh. it's done. Then create /i3buntu.sh. let me maximize it for you and hit enter. Then the script starts automatically. First of all, it will gonna install dialog, and there you go. And now just hit OK. Do you wanna continue? Yes. And that's the rest of the process pretty much. So I'm gonna skip it from here and just gonna show you guys the specific options and how easy is it to install i3buntu manager by using this script. After it's done, this screen will prompt up and it says, do you want to install i3gaps? It looks good. Now here is an option, yes or no. I'm gonna select yes and hit OK. Now this is important, which version of Ubuntu you are using. You can see I just gave two choices, 16.04 and 18.04. Hit whatever the version you are running, hit on OK, and installing dependencies for i3gaps on Ubuntu 16.04, OK, and give it my root password. Now it will gonna install each and every dependencies for i3gaps on Ubuntu 18.04. It will gonna take a long time, so I'll meet you guys when it's done. On Ubuntu 18.04, you have to install a specific dependency from source. That's why I give you the option, whatever the version of Ubuntu you are using, 18.04 or 16.04. Just click OK now. Now finally it will gonna install i3gaps on your Ubuntu machine. Now it will gonna copy all of the i3buntu manager config files to this virtual machine. Now that's another important thing here. Do you wanna install a login manager? Yes. If you're gonna select yes, then it will gonna install LightDM as your login manager. If you select no, then no login manager will be there and you need to type startx to your session. So I am going to select yes, and now the system will reboot because the installation was done. After the reboot, the login manager will pop up and just let me type my password, hit enter, and that's it. That is the i3buntu manager setup which I run on my main PC. But there is one small bug. It's not actually a bug, but it's still a bug. When you guys are gonna try the skip out and install everything, you will prompt up with a black screen. That's because okay, just let me just go to my i3 config file over there, and if I'm gonna scroll down pretty much, oh my god, it will gonna take a long time in Nano. I hate that editor. Come on. Okay, there you are. I use Fay as the background selector. So as you can see that there is a specific path, right? it says home/Neil/wallpapers and the wallpaper name over here. What you will need to do, you will need to just replace your username with Neil. Like in that case, my username is Neil, so I just type home/Neil/whatever. But you have to type your username. Suppose it's Alex or whatever is your username, and you do this. Save the file, restart i3, and so as you can see guys, I'm running Ubuntu 16.04 on this virtual box and Ubuntu 18.04 on this one, and on both virtual boxes i3 window manager works beautifully. So that's it for this video guys. If you guys like that video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe because it doesn't cost you money and it gives me a tons of happiness. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. It's Hardcore Linux signing off. Peace guys.